Again, I wish good morning to you all students, and I hope you all in COVID-19 situation. So let us start sudden test live class. So my first question is from chapter 2 history. Open your books. If you don't know what is the answer, you can search answer. Okay. What were nationalist views about revolutions? What were nationalist views about revolutions? Any student have answer? Answer is the nationalists viewed that revolutions would create nations where all citizens would enjoy equal rights. Who was responsible for achieving equal rights in Italy? Who was responsible for achieving equal rights in Italy? Giuseppe Mazzini. Next question is, what were the two different vision of the socialist for future? Perhaps you know the answer, but you can't approach. Okay, now. So I read answer. Some socialists like Robert Owen believed in the idea of cooperative and built cooperative community called New Harmony. It is clear? In Indiana, others like Louis Blanc felt that it could not be achieved through individual initiative. Government should encourage cooperatives. These are two socialist different vision for the future. Do you remember? कुछ याद आ रहा है कि ऐसा कुछ पहले पढ़े थे हम लोग? नहीं. Write this question answer in your copy. What were the two different vision of the socialists for future? Answer is, some socialists like Robert Owen, spelling is O-W-E-N, believed in the idea of cooperatives and build cooperative community, not society, cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana. These are for the 1 mark question answer. There are many questions from this one answer. Who was Robert Owen? What was Robert Owen's idea about socialist? That is cooperative community. And what it called Robert's Owen cooperative community? That is called New Harmony in Indiana. Others like Louis Blanc felt that it could not be achieved. अब लुई ब्लांक्स बोल रहा है कि ये प्लान अचीव नहीं किया जा सकता थ्रू इंडिविजुअल इनिशिएटिव, व्यक्तिगत पहल से नहीं हो सकता. तो इसमें करना क्या होगा? गवर्नमेंट शुड इनकरेज कोऑपरेटिव्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड कार्ल मार्क्स वांट वर्कर्स टू ओवरथ्रो? What did Karl Marx want workers to overthrow? कार्ल मार्क्स क्या उठा के फेंक देने को बोलता है? And why? There is very simple answer if you know. If you don't know, I will provide answer. Any student know the answer? It means no. Right answer. Karl Marx wanted the workers to overthrow capitalism. and free themselves from capitalist exploitation. Karl Marx wanted the workers to overthrow capitalism and free themselves from capitalist exploitation. Next question is, who was the ruler of Russia and its empire in 1940? This is very common and simple question, and I hope all the students know the answer. Yeah? Bit of pronunciation is not Tsar, pronunciation is Tsar, Tsar. That cannot Tsar, that is Tsar, Tsar Nicholas II. Okay, thank you for this answer. I am so happy. But this is very common question. Okay, not tough question. Mention the regions included in Russian empires. Regions, it means area, kshetra, not argument. Mention the regions included in Russian empire. This is very simple and common question and very important question also. Okay, now, for your examination point of view, any student, I located also in the map of world, you know. Read the answer. Yeah. Yes. 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 Today's Central Asian states. Very good. Very good answer. Next question is, name the religions. That is very common question. Name the religions practiced in the Russian Empire. Name the religions practiced in the Russian Empire. The religions in the Russian empires included Russian Orthodox Christianity. Orthodox Christianity, not church. Russian Orthodox Christianities, Catholics, Protestants. These are the branches of Christianities also. Muslims and Buddhists. It means there are three groups in Christianity: Russian Orthodox, Catholics, and Protestants. After that, Muslims groups were called Jadidist. That word is given in your book, Jadidist. And after that, Buddhist. Is it clear? If you don't know, you can write. Next question. My next question is, name the prominent industrial areas in the Russian Empire. It is very simple question. Name the prominent, yeah, not Moscow beta. COW means cow. तो Moscow नहीं, MOS Mos, COW cow, Moscow. It means Moscow. So St. Petersburg and Moscow were the prominent industrial areas. My next question is, name any two factors that led to the setting up of industries in Russia by the end of 19th century. Two factors. I repeat again this question. Listen carefully. Name any two factors that led to the setting up of industries in Russia by the end of 19th century. End of 19th century. First you know. First you know. Very good answer. My next question is, what was the commune or mir? What was the commune or mir? It's very very easy and simple question. You know, I explained already. Okay, one day. What was the commune army? This was the related to the, I provide clue, farmers, Russian farmers, and this was developed as a Soviet just after the revolution. The commune or mir means M-I-R, mir. The commune or mir was cooperative community of people in Russia living together and sharing possessions and responsibilities. That was related to when farmers were pulled their agriculture farms, and they started to cooperative farming, and they use produce according to family needs requirements. Okay, and they work together. That was the starting point of the commune or meal. After that, that was established and developed as a social group. समझ में आया? If you want to write, I repeat again the answer. The commune or meal was a cooperative community of people in Russia living together and sharing possessions and responsibilities. But this was totally related to the farmer, not related to the skilled workers. तो पीपुल की जगह आप फार्मर कर लीजिए अगर कंफ्यूजन हो रहा हो. Is it clear? Okay. Next question. My next question is, on what point did the Social Democrats, this is related to the idea of Social Democrats, and I provided notes already. On what point did the Social Democrats and Socialist Revolutionaries differ with each other? किस पॉइंट पर सोशल डेमोक्रेट और सोशलिस्ट रिवोल्यूशनरीज जो समाजवादी क्रांतिकारी थे वो डिफर करते थे, अंतर था उसमें, अलग थे. डू यू हैव एनी पॉइंट? देख रहे हैं अभी एडमिट हो रहा है बच्चे. दिस इज HOT क्वेश्चन. डू यू नो HOT? हाई ऑर्डर थिंकिंग. Use your minds. If you know, if you don't know, I provide answer. You can write. The socialist failed. The socialist failed. FELT failed that peasants were not a united group. Peasants were not a united group. Some were poor, while others were rich. Some peasants were poor, peasants means farmer, and some peasants were rich. Some worked as laborers, while others were capitalists. This is the answer. और there are three, जिन क्लासों में मैंने पढ़ाया है 7-8 में, वहाँ तो कुछ मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है. जिन क्लासों को मैंने नहीं लिया उनको बता देना चाहता हूँ उन स्टूडेंट्स को कि there are 3 words using related to the farmer: farmers, peasants and cultivators. What is different between farmer and peasants? In royalty in empire, when all the land owned by the monarchy, owned by the kings families or nobles are under the churches, so all the farmers are all the cultivators providing land revenue, and that were cultivating not their own farmlands. All the farmers were cultivating on the lands of the churches or nobility or the kingship. तो दूसरे के खेत में, दूसरे की जमीन में जब ये किसानी करते थे, ये किसान खेती करते थे, तो उसका एक बड़ा हिस्सा ओनर के नाते वो ले लेता था. ये सल्तनत पीरियड में भी हुआ. 7 में 50% अलाउद्दीन ने लिया, ठीक, अकबर ने 1/3 लिया, जो तुगलक थे वो 50% लेते थे. और एंशियंट इंडिया में इंडियन रूलर्स ने 1/6 लिया अकॉर्डिंग टू मनु संहिता. तो कहीं न कहीं ये सारे पीजेंट्स, इसलिए जब भी हम हिस्ट्री में फार्मर्स की बात करते हैं तो उनके लिए 2 वर्ड यूज करते हैं: कल्टीवेटर्स एंड peasants. Is it clear? यहाँ आप फार्मर यूज नहीं कर सकते. फार्मर मीन्स दैट फार्मर हैज देयर ओन लैंड्स. अपने जमीन हम ओनर हो गए. आज के जो भी किसान है इंडिया में सब ओनर है, फार्मर है. ठीक है. बट ब्रिटिश रूल जब तक था, इंडिया आज़ाद नहीं हुआ था, सारे क्या थे? पीजेंट्स थे. क्योंकि इनसे लगान वसूला जाता था, इनको देना पड़ता था, जमीनें इनकी नहीं थी. सो my next question is, which communities, very important question, which communities demanded constitutions during 1905 revolution? You have notes already and book. Which communities demanded constitution during 1905 revolution? Who supported them? There are two questions included. One, who communities demanded constitution during 1905 revolution and who supported? किसने डिमांड किया, किसने उसका सपोर्ट किया? Any student have answer? Okay, right answer. Right answer. Liberals, social democrats and socialist revolutionaries. Liberals, social democrats and socialist revolutionaries with peasants and workers. There are 5 groups. Liberals, social democrats and socialist revolutionaries with peasants and workers demanded constitution. And who supported? Nationalists and jihadists supported them. Nationalists and jihadists, it means religious group of Muslims, supported them. Next question is, who were jihadists? Who were jihadists? And explain jihadists. Who were jihadists? Okay, but describe or explain jihadists. That answer is here. You can write. The jihadists were the Muslim reformers. The jihadists were the Muslim reformers within the Russian Empire. Within the Russian Empire, they wanted modernized Islam to lead their society. Is it clear? What was Bloody Sunday? Leader was Father Gaipol. Next, what do you mean by union of unions? Union of unions, this is the also word of civics related to the Indian constitutions, and that is taken from the Constitution of Canada in the Indian Constitution. Unions of unions. What do you mean by union of unions? बेटा ये 10th में भी आपको civics में मिलेगा. संघों का संघ, हिंदी में बोलते हैं संघों का संघ. इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल 1 में है ये वर्ड. ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पर हिस्ट्री का आंसर है. ठीक है ना? मैंने अभी जो बोला है वो सिविक्स का था, अभी हिस्ट्री का आंसर लिख लो. चैप्टर 2 का क्या है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय यूनियन ऑफ यूनियंस? राइट आंसर, ड्यूरिंग द 1905 रिवॉल्यूशन, ड्यूरिंग द 1905 रिवॉल्यूशन, lawyers, doctors, engineers and other middle class workers. I repeat again, lawyers, doctors, engineers and other middle class workers established a union of unions, established a union of unions and demanded a demanded a constituent assembly. And perhaps you may be surprised, this is not given in my chapter, and sir is asking a question. I don't know from where. There are some boxes in your chapters. There are some sources in your chapters. And yesterday's homework, I given you, read all the sources and boxes from chapter 2. Okay? You should read all the boxes, all the letters, or each and everything, and also all the pictures given. Okay, now that's are illustrated. Your history chapter is illustrated chapter. सचित्र वर्णन, हिंदी में बोलते हैं सचित्र वर्णन। तो जो भी फिगर दिया है, डायग्राम दिया है, पिक्चर दिया है, उसके नीचे भी तमाम चीजें लिखी है, वहां से भी क्वेश्चन बनते हैं, आंसर वहीं से मिलते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डिड द जार डिसमिस द फर्स्ट ड्यूमा within 75 days of its election? You can write answer. I read here. The Tsar dismissed the first Duma within 75 days of its election because जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन why से स्टार्ट होता है तो हम उसका आंसर because से स्टार्ट करते हैं। Because the Tsar did not want any reduction in his power. Because Tsar did not want any reduction in his power and anyone to question his authority. Next question, between which two European alliances? This is very common, very simple. Between which two European alliances First World War broke out? Yes. Yeah, very good and correct answer. Next question, give one instance means example. Give one instance of high anti-German sentiments in Russia. Give one instance of high anti-German sentiments in Russia. The student who already read line by line chapters, he or she, okay na, would answer. जो पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ा है आंसर वही देगा। मैंने बोला था पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ने को। Give one instance of high anti-German sentiments in Russia. Okay, write the answer. Renaming of Saint Petersburg, a German name, as Petrograd, showed the high anti-German sentiments because the Petrograd is German word. ये जार निकोलस ने इसका नाम बदल दिया था, उसके रिलेशन थे जर्मन रॉयल्टी से। आर यू फीलिंग बोर? बच्चे बोर हो रहे हैं क्या?